We are proud to share that these 3 reviews represent just a small fraction of the numerous positive testimonials we have received across Google and other platforms. Our commitment to professionalism and client satisfaction remains unwavering. Jake Lanier, we hired a One Roofing to repair and repaint our flat roof, replace the shingles on our mansard roof, and replace all of our gutters. Maurice is a great guy and a very honest and enjoyable person to do business with. I was out of town during the job, but he kept me updated with photos throughout the process. We had one miscommunication about what I wanted, and he came back first thing the next week to get it resolved. Overall, I was very satisfied with the quality workmanship and pricing, and will definitely recommend a One Roofing to my friends and family for all their roofing needs. Todd Edmonds, the Kanga team, did a great job getting our new metal roof installed, all repair work done, gutters installed, and even a few little details to tie the new metal roof to the existing older metal roof. Looks complete now. They worked in all kinds of weather through the winter to get it all done. All detail work was done with professionalism. They called before they arrived and kept us in the loop with any hiccups and items that needed explanation. Overall, very pleased. M. Tucker, I have been a customer for many years, and this company has always been professional. They have always worked with high quality, showed attention to detail, and have done excellent work.